Many millions of years ago, when the Earth was young, magma traveled towards the Earth's surface in a seething liquid mass. As it cooled gradually over time, minerals crystallized and grew, forming the treasure house of gemstones we know today. Their ancient history is reflected in their shining faces, crystalline structure, and clear color. Before they are polished, cut and fashioned into our favorite pieces of jewelry, to complete the value chain, or are lovingly placed on collectors' shelves, they are dug from the ground or chiseled from the rock walls by a group of hard-working men and women, small miners who struggle on the land for survival, driven by hopes and dreams. Colorful stories mirror these colorful characters who dream of finding a pocket of gems to buy their way out of their tough existence. As they dig in the sands of Erongo and Spitzkoppe or hammer into the rock faces of the Erongo mountains looking for stone treasures. A little-known industry, it is shaped by hard work, determination, passion, the roller coaster of fortune and broken dreams. This is the story of Namibia's desert diggers. The Gondwana collection, in collaboration with German development agency GIZ, journeyed through the arid plains and hilly countryside to seek out miners, gem cutters, collectors, geologists and traders, and to hear their fascinating stories, as multifaceted as the finest cut stone. Join us on our journey of discovery as we travel across the ancient gem-studded land, meeting the small miners of Western Namibia.